we discuss about the taxonomic category and all, taxonomic hierarchy, status, rank, that also we discuss, and we discuss about the systematics also. Yes, so that means we actually describe everything, but still we need to write some definitions also, right? So please write down taxonomic category. It is a part of overall taxonomic hierarchy. Yes, the same line that is there in your NCERT textbook. Fine. So just check this one. It is a part of means what? It is a simple unit, right, of the taxonomic hierarchy. We know the taxonomic hierarchy, right from the kingdom to the species. This is known as taxonomic hierarchy. We wrote this part also, kingdom to species, right? Everything we wrote. So in this hierarchy, if I describe only about the kingdom, then that kingdom is a part of that hierarchy. Or if I will describe only about the class, that means it is a part of that hierarchy. So whatever you are discussing about the kingdom, class, order, genus, species, family, only one is considered as taxonomic category. I hope you understood, right? What is taxonomic category? Therefore, we can write one more definition for taxonomic category, that is, it is the unit of classification. What classification? Definitely the taxonomic classification. Okay, so it is the simplest, the unit, one unit is known as taxonomic category. That means if I want to give the definition for taxonomic hierarchy, what I can say, all the taxonomic category like kingdom, phylum or division or class or family, whatever we have, right, order, genus, species, whatever we have, everything if we include, then it will give the answer of the taxonomic hierarchy. So we used to write it like this, KDC, yes, of GS. So KFC we know, right? KFC of GS. So GS is the road in which you will get the KFC. So instead of writing KFC, I can write KDC. So kingdom, division, class, of is O is order, F is family, G is genus, S is KDC of GS. Like that you can remember. This is how I remember. So this is what I have given you. So please write down what is taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, so this is all the taxonomic categories together known as taxonomic hierarchy. Yes, so this is definition, this one is definition. Everything is there in your NCERT part. From that part only I am discussing. So please note it down. Okay, so taxonomic categories or category, let me write for one. Category has rank. Okay, this is also known as status, right? Or it is also known as taxa. So if I have some category, then it must have some taxa. So what it is, the taxa is what? Suppose if I write about the kingdom, kingdom is the category, right? And what is the taxa? Like animalia. If I write, animalia is the taxa. Okay, that means I am representing animal categories, animal groups. If I write, no, it is the plantae. So if it is plantae, then plantae is the, I am representing the photosynthetic bodies, right? So like that, if I included everything, like in the taxa, if I write some names, then that is under the taxa. I mean, that is what I am representing. And everything all together, these are under the kingdom. So this is the category. So category, every category, they must have some kind of taxa. Similarly, if I'll write species, species is the category, but if I give any name to the species, like Mangifera indica I have written, yes, so this is what the taxa is. Again, Panthera leo if I have written, then this is what the taxa. So I hope you have understood what is taxa and what is category. Students have a confusion with this. So please remember what is category and what is taxa, and write it down so that in future also you will not have any problem with this. Please check this one. Page number 11. NCERT. NCERT. Page number 11. Yes. One full table they have given. See. One full table they have given. This table. Okay. So this table you have to complete it. Right. This is your work. In this you have all the categories. Right. Taxonomic categories these are. Okay, I'm not going to discuss about this because you know all the family names, genus, right? These things you know. You need to remember only this one. Fine. So this is what your homework part is. Next, I will write plant taxonomic hierarchy from the NCERT book only. Check in the page number 9 till page number 11. You have all the description about the kingdom, species, genus, everything you have, it is described, right? So from that, whatever examples they have given, from those examples only, I'm going to make one taxonomic hierarchy for you people. Okay, so let us start here. So if it is taxonomic hierarchy, please write it down. You have to write the same thing for the animal. Okay. Here I am writing only for the plant part. Now, first one is the species. Yes, I am coming from the down and then I will go in an ascending order. So, the species, whatever they have given, it is Solanum tuberosum. Tuberosum. Yes, Solanum tuberosum is potato. Then we have Solanum niger. Solanum niger is not exactly the black paper. It is considered as a blueberry kind of thing. It is a berry kind of thing. Okay. So this is what Solanum nigrum. Solanum esculentum. Esculentum. And this is what? Tomato. And one more is a Solanum melongena. Right? So this is what? Brinjal. Brinjal. So we have this kind of species. Okay, Solanum tuberosum, niger, esculentum, melongena, and all the species are present in the genus, and the genus name is Solanum. Yes, along with the Solanum, we have some other genus also, like Nicotina. So after this, I have to write about the family name. So if I see that Solanum along with the other genus name, everything is included under Solanaceae family. Solanaceae family. So it is the Solanaceae family. Naceae family. You can see here I have added ACEAE. Yes. So if this suffix is there, then this is considered as family. Okay. Then again I can write Convolvulaceae, ACEAE. This is representing the family part, right? So these are the families. After species, genus, family, what I have to write? O, right? O means order. Okay. So Solanaceae, Convolvulaceae, all these families are included under polynomials. Can you see here? I have added ALES. So if the suffix ALES is there, then it represents what? The order. Okay. So similarly, we have to write more things. So please check it out and please write all the names. And these are from the NCERT textbook. Order we finished. Now we have to write about the class. Now see, the order polynomials is under the class Biotechnology. Again you check this one. AE, ni. So ni represent what? Class. So after class I have to go for the division. I will not write here phylum. Why not? Because phylum is not for the plant. Only division is for the plant, right? So I will write here division. So division is what? It is the angiospermy. Again you see here also AE, correct? Class is AE suffix. Division, again it is AE, that is also suffix, right? And last we have kingdom. So if it is kingdom, then our rank will be planty. Right? Again you just check in the planty also we have A. That means for plant category, class, division, kingdom, everywhere there is AE as the suffix. Now my question is, in this taxonomic hierarchy, okay, which category will carry the highest common character?
Write your answer in the comment section below.
The taxonomic hierarchy full you have to write for the animals. Don't follow other books. Whatever there in your NCERT textbook, that is enough. You follow that one only and you write all the points like we did for the plants. Okay.